Hey folks, ever opened your bag and found yourself tangling with a tangle of chargers, dongles, power banks, and just chaos? Enter the Moment MTW Tech Organizer, and the brand claims it's going to keep your tech tidy and accessible. But after a week of living out of it, I found some things their marketing doesn't tell you. Let's dive in and see, is it actually worth your hard-earned cash? Moment Tech Organizer Product Overview. So what exactly are we looking at? The Moment MTW Tech Organizer is a tech accessory pouch made by Moment, yes, the company known for photography gear and bags, released around 2021 as part of their MTW, Moment Traveler Everyday line. It's aimed squarely at people who carry lots of small gadgetry, cables, wall warts, earphones, power banks, and want a dedicated pouch to keep everything in one place rather than stashed haphazardly in a backpack or travel bag. Its key selling proposition: rugged, water-resistant shell, thoughtful internal organization, and a low-profile footprint. Moment Tech Organizer Performance. Okay, specs are one thing, but how does it actually perform day to day? I use this organizer for my everyday carry kit: USB-C charger, wireless earphones, dongles, memory card reader, a small battery pack, a few cables. Here's what I found. It lives up to the easy access promise fairly well. The zipper opens far, you can stand it upright thanks to gussets, so you're not always digging around in a flat bag. Reviewers noted that the wide opening and upright shape help with visibility. It feels pretty compact in a backpack, but once loaded, it does take up a noticeable chunk of room, which is fine if you're carrying quite a bit of gear, but maybe overkill if you're only carrying one cable and a charger. One Reddit user put it like this: I can fit 3 cables, iPhone, Apple Watch, and USB-C, and a USB-C brick really comfortably. The shell and material hold up nicely. The Kodra nylon exterior with waterproof coating gives me confidence to toss it in a carry-on, backpack, or even a day travel bag without worrying about rain or rough handling. Features and tech. Let's talk key features and why you should care. Water-resistant Kodra nylon exterior plus YKK zippers. This means your pouch has a rugged outer shell and doesn't feel like a flimsy, inexpensive bag. In practice, this gives you confidence to toss it in a carry-on, backpack, or even a day travel bag without worrying about rain or rough handling. Wide-opening clamshell and ability to stand upright. So instead of your cables tumbling out or burying under other stuff, when you zip it fully, it opens wide and you can see everything. That saves time when you're working on the go and don't want to rummage around. Compressible, low-profile design. When you're not using all the loops or pockets, the pouch doesn't feel bulky. Reviewers noted you can squeeze it into tighter spaces in your travel bag. Design and build. Aesthetically, Moment knocked it out of the park with subtlety. It's basically black with the tiny MTW logo. No screaming branding, no flashy patterns. From a material standpoint, the Kodra nylon exterior feels sturdy. The zippers click smoothly. The contrast interior, white or cream, is a nice touch for visibility. The build is practical. The gussets on the standard size help it stand. The interior layout is sensible. On the flip side, the elastic loops are all the same size, which limits flexibility. You might have a tiny dongle and massive charger, and both use the same loop. Also, the material pickup of lint and pet hair was noted by reviewers. Pros: clean, minimalist design that looks good and won't draw attention. Smart internal organization, loops, pockets, and zippered section that actually helps find your gear fast. Quality materials and build, water-resistant shell YKK zippers. Compact and flexible enough to fit into a backpack or a suitcase without feeling like a brick. Cons: the elastic loops are uniform size, not always great for super small or super large items. Some small items can shift around. Mesh, lack of rigid pockets means less lock-in. It picks up lint and pet hair more than you might like. Price is a bit premium for a pouch, though you are paying for quality. Final verdict. Here's my take. If you're someone who carries a decent amount of tech accessories, say you travel with a laptop, cables, maybe a power bank, headphones, dongles, then the Moment MTW Tech Organizer is a very solid pick. It brings order where you likely have chaos, and it does so with build quality and a look that fits pro, creative, tech-savvy lifestyles. If you're more casual, Maybe just one cable, one charger, one earbud case. You might find this overkill, and maybe you'll pay for features you don't need.